Did you know that there's a first ever socialized subdivision development in the northern part of Cebu City that give you a chance to own an affordable two-story home through Pag-ibig and Bank financing? This is Rams Real Estate Tips and Updates. When your budget is limited, one strategy to consider is buying a property during a pre-selling stage. Buying early may give you access to a lower introductory price, which can potentially save you a significant amount over time and help your monthly amortization more manageable. Balay diri sa Cebu, kailangan jud og strategy. So kini nga project is bag-o pa jud ni ng pre-selling, naka-introductory price pani sila ron, og without further notice no, next month or next few months mag price increase na gini sila. So unsa pa imong gibuhat diha mga idol? Reserve na para malak na to ang introductory price mintras barato pa. So introducing Cebu City Homes by Dio Homes, located in Sipurita, Barangay Pulang Batu, Cebu City. Tara, sulo na to. Right. As we enter mga idol, nasa a living area and dining area, and also a kitchen, and at the back is the toilet and bath together with washing area. Alright, mo na siya mga idol. So this is a practical and functional space where you can start building your family home here in Cebu. Let's go upstairs. So here you can find your first bedroom. Right, look at that. And your second bedroom, giving your family a comfortable space to rest and to create memories together. If you're tired of renting, this project worth considering. Property features: 2 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, 28 square meter lot area, 40 square meter floor area, giving your family practical and functional space. If you know someone who wants to own an affordable house and lot here in Cebu, please share this video mga idol to your family, friends, and relatives. Daghang salamat kaayo. This is Rans again. Just send me a message anytime mga idol if you want more information or schedule your site viewing. So ako